shida.
But the Western approach to it, 3 years, Africa is also awakening again.
The impact of the programs and projects under BRI is demonstrable, significant, and positive across the African continent, from north to south and from east to west. In Kenya, for example, we have, with the support and funding of China under BRI, completed 600 kilometers of standard gauge railway. We have completed phase 1 of Lamu Port. We have also completed a modern oil terminal in the port city of Mombasa, the expressway, and we have also completed thousands of kilometers of road connecting rural to urban Kenya, farms to markets, and transporting raw materials to manufacturing industries. The relationship between China and Africa, and Kenya in specific, is so real that this year, early this year, when I went to one of our rural towns, and the citizens were asking me for an airstrip, when I asked them where they wanted to travel to if the airstrip is built, they said they wanted to travel to China. And when I later found out, it was because the road in their neighborhood had been built with Chinese support, with a Chinese contractor. That is the depth of the relationship between China and our continent.
And help ensure equal rights and equal opportunities for all countries of the people in the cause of modernization.